In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Illustrator's pen tool. This is a challenging tool, especially for beginners. It's found in the toolbox. The keyboard shortcut for it is a P, the letter P. And to draw straight lines isn't too difficult. You click once to let go, and you click once again and let go. So we could keep doing that until we draw a shape. Now, one of the problems that we have with this is you can see that this line is crooked. So to make sure that we have a straight line, we would hold down the Shift button. And there you go. So that helps solve the problem a little bit. The other thing that we can do is curves. So generally you want to click once, let go, and then to make the curve you click and drag. You'll notice you get these two little handlebars, and think of it as a bike. It works the same way. You can't turn one side without affecting the other, and the longer you drag them apart, the steeper your curve gets. The closer they are, the more shallow it is. So this will take some time to get used to. Now these handlebars will not print. They're there for you to use. If we click off of the shape, the handlebars are gone. And this is just one shape. If we switch our direct selection tool and select that one point, they're back. And we could go back and adjust our shape, our curves. If we wanted to do something different, let's say we have this shape, but we want to turn this into a different, maybe a leaf, I don't know. We can use this Convert Anchor Point tool. This allows us to grab just one part of the handlebar and move it. So if we're trying to draw maybe some sort of wave here, what I would do is draw the beginning of it, come back with my Convert Anchor Point tool, and the keyboard shortcut for that is Shift C. Then I can draw a wave. And it might make more sense if it's that way. So that's the pen tool. There's a couple other things you'll want to know about the pen tool, and that is when you're drawing, you get little icons next to the bottom right of your cursor. You want to make sure that you close all your shapes if that's its intended purpose, is to be a shape. If you want to fill this with color, it has to have a beginning and an end, and they have to end at this, or they have to be at the same point. So we started there, we're going to finish there. I can identify it because it's got a circle next to it. That means it's going to be a closed shape. So if I try and give this some color, I can do that. Whereas if I try and give this wave a color, I'm going to get something that looks pretty weird because it doesn't have